Everyone, I'm Kishore Jan, URK24CS1064. This video is all about DSA Labs 6 implementation of singly linked list in Python. Come on, let's get into the video. So as you could see, this is our code for the singly linked list. And let's see it step by step. A singly linked list, first of all, what is a singly linked list? A singly linked list is a linear data structure where each node contains two paths, the data and a pointer to the next node. Unlike a doubly linked list, it can only be traversed in one direction, forward. A program has two classes, node and singly linked list. As you can see, it is placed over here. The node class has data to store the value and next point to the next node. Initially, next is set to none. The simply linked list has a head pointer to the track, the first node in the list. If the head is none, the list is empty. Here are the main operations. First one is insert at beginning, adds a new node at the start. The new node's next point to the current head and head is updated. Insert at end, adds a new node at the end. This method traverses the list to the last node and links the new node there. If the list is empty, the new node becomes the head. Insert at position. Basically, this function inserts a new node at a specific position. If the position is 1, for instance, it's like inserting at the beginning. Otherwise, it traverses to the node just before the desired position. Delete of key. So this removes a node with a given value. And as you know, display of is going to display everything in the linked list. Finally, let's see the execution of the program. As you could see, when I tried to delete 50, which doesn't exist, so the list remained unchanged, 10, 30. So this program clearly shows how insertion at different positions, deletion and traversal works in a single linked list. Thank you.